Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to insert, resize your image in Microsoft Word without any stress. Let me show you how. Come to the top right here. So go ahead and click on insert, then go to e-picture. So other pictures right here, you have insert from this device, insert from stock images, insert from online. So you can insert your picture from different options. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and click on this device. The next thing you want to do is to locate where you have the image. I'm going to go to my download folder. I have the image right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select this image. I'll go ahead and click on insert. And in a few seconds, we have the image successfully inserted right here. Okay. Now, how do we resize, adjust the image as the case may be? We can come to the top right here and then drag in with the size, drag out, drag in, and scale in and scale out as the case may be, as far as this particular image is concerned. Then how can we align the image? So what you need to do here is to go ahead and make sure you go to your home tab. So you can align the image to the center, or you can align it to justified full, and then you can align it to the right here. Or you can use command key, which is control plus different keywords. Yeah, just like so. So if you want to center, it's control plus L. If you want to align to the left right here, it's control plus L right here. It's going to proper alignment. Then align to the center is control plus E. Just like so. It's that simple. You can go on and insert as many as possible image into this particular page. For that, go ahead and make sure you come back to insert right here, insert image. So this time around, we want to see how we can insert image from our stock image. Go ahead and click on it, and then we have all stock images right here. So you can go ahead and select any of the images. I'm going to insert block, and I'll go ahead and click on insert, and just like so, we have the image being successfully inserted right here. Just like so. Then you can also scale in and scale out as far as the image is concerned. You can also align the image. So let's go ahead and go back to the home tab right here. We can align to the left right here. We can align to full justify. We can align to center. So we can also scale in, as the case may be. We can align just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So this is how to import image from your desktop, and at the same time how you can get image from stock image. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at how to import image. Go back to insert, then go ahead and click on picture right here. Then let's go ahead and see how we can insert picture from online. Go ahead and click on online, and then in this regard, you need to make sure you connect to internet before you can get access to image online from MS Word. Just like so. So it's take us to the Bing browse right here. So I can decide to get an image from this yellow car right here. Go ahead and click on yellow car. Then we have the image right here. So I can decide to, so from the web right here, I can simply right click, save image as. Then I'm going to save it as yellow car. And I have to go back to my MS Word right here. So I'm going to select this now. I'm going to it. Then I'll come back to image, this device, because I've already saved the image into my device. Then select the yellow car, insert, and the image is going to be successfully inserted right here. We can also scale in, scale out as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.